everyone, this is Fiona from HD Focus. Our product is interactive panel. Do you know how to use and maintain the interactive panel? Let me tell you 8 secrets. 1. No heavy pressure impact. Do not add extra impact to the interactive panel. So, to avoid the strong impact and vibration. 2. Turn on or turn off. Do not turn it on immediately after compulsory shutdown, and 3 minutes interval is ensured. When device is working, do not cut off power supply suddenly to avoid irreparable damage to the hardware. 3. Socket selection. Good quality is necessary for the safe power supplier. A separate socket is better. 4. Not disassembled. At the smart panel, the circle is complicated. Please do not disassemble the device privately if you are not professional, so to avoid damage. 5. Touch screen protection. Please attach great importance to the USB cable because the power supplier and reflections of the IR touch screen are all ensured by it. Do not frequently unplug the USB cable in order to avoid power interface and IR touch damage. 6. Avoid direct sunlight. The use cases of the smart board will directly affect the lifespan and using experience. So we suggest working temperature is 0 degree to 50 degree. 7. Power unplug. Please unplug the power supply if the device is not used for a long time, so to avoid electric damages like current circuit breakdown and etc. 8. High humidity avoid. Please ensure the operation environment of the smart board is dry. That's all for today's sharing. Hope this secret could help you to learn more about smart panel. See you. Bye bye.